Natural supplements are powerful. They can improve your health. One natural supplement stands out. It's called Moringa. Moringa is a tree. It is sometimes called the miracle tree. It grows in many parts of the world. People have used Moringa for centuries. They use it for food and medicine. Moringa is packed with nutrients. It has vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This makes it a nutritional powerhouse. People are calling it the ultimate natural supplement. It's easy to add Moringa to your diet. You can find it in powder form. You can also take it as a capsule. Moringa is a nutritional treasure chest. It's packed with vitamins and minerals. These are essential for good health. Moringa has more vitamin C than oranges. It has more vitamin A than carrots. It even has more calcium than milk. Moringa is a great source of protein too. This makes it perfect for vegetarians and vegans. Moringa is also full of antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your body. They fight off harmful things called free radicals. Free radicals can damage your cells. Moringa has many health benefits. Studies show it can boost your energy. It can also reduce inflammation. Inflammation is linked to many diseases. Moringa can lower your blood sugar levels. This is helpful for people with diabetes. It can also improve your heart health. Moringa can even protect your liver from damage. Some people use Moringa for weight loss. It may help you feel fuller for longer. This can prevent overeating. There are many other natural supplements, but Moringa stands out. It has a wider range of nutrients. It also has more scientific evidence. For example, a study in the journal Phytotherapy Research found that Moringa helped lower blood sugar levels in diabetic patients. Another study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology showed that Moringa improved heart health in animals. Moringa is a safe and effective supplement. It's a natural way to improve your health.